Alright, I wanted to do this video on this old forge. I picked this up from a friend who's a farrier, and he found this in a barn. The roof was caving in on it. Man, I'll tell you what, this is a cool looking gem here. I can't wait to start using it. I wanted to replace the wood down there with some better wood, but for now I'm just going to leave it. Maybe use some Osage or some curly maple down there, but I wire brushed her down and oiled it, and he had fixed the blower, cleaned the blower up, and what it has is a ratcheting drive wheel down here, and when you pull down on the handle, it, you know, obviously pulls here and then it re-wraps on the opposite. So every time you pull up and down, it's re-wrapping, and it's like a ratcheting flywheel. Pretty cool design. I think it was from 1901, but don't quote me on that. 1890s. But there, it runs the blower. But I'll fire this thing up and show you. It's got a counterbalance weight right here. This is the first time I've used this thing, so I don't know how well it's going to work yet. But I ended up having to cut a plate for the bottom there because it was old and it broke in half right here, this ring. So I cut one in with the plasma cutter. There we go. Look at that. Pretty damn cool. Oh, that's working a lot better than I thought it would. I knew it was going to work, but that's really putting out the air. I may have to adjust down here. There's an adjustment, so if the belt starts coming off, see how the belt's starting to come off? You can adjust that and get the belt lined up. Oh, sweet. Wow, this is awesome. I like that. So each part is numbered on here. We were looking, and each part has a number. Every single piece is numbered, so obviously when they put the thing together, they could match up the numbers. 918, and what was this one? 920. So let's see, this is 921 right here. If anybody has more information on this, I mean, I looked it up, and it was made in Salem, Ohio, at least the blower was, called the Silver Manufacturing Company. And I would like to put two handles out here, or at least forge a handle to pick it up with, because right now I'm just grabbing the table and picking it up and moving it. But I'm pretty dang happy with this thing. Wow. Well, I just wanted to show you this old forge and show you what I got. I think I will make a new belt out of leather here for wrapping around the flywheel. Right now it's just got a piece of nylon, but I'm going to put a piece of leather belt on there. And then right here, maybe replace these brackets. They look like they're pretty rusted, and replace them boards. It does seem that if you notice it kind of moves when I'm cranking on it, see I'm twisting. Shouldn't do that, but anyway, thanks for watching, and you'll see more videos of me doing some forging on this here in the future. Have a good one.